make a top-notch tool, we keep trying to find ways to make it even better. Well, the new and improved MT2120 3/8 air impact wrench cranks out 300 foot-pounds of torque. A new 7-vane engine and an upgraded power regulator for increased control are enough to retain top dog status.
You're right, Court. And you know, Matco added a new trigger design for increased durability and control and repositioning grease fitting for easier access, all the while keeping the tool lightweight enough to use every hour of every day.
Which is going to increase some serious productivity.